Alright, I'm out here, rise and grind. Another video. Got a 2016 Chevy Malibu. No start. Alright, so after diagnosing it, I determined the fuel pump is bad. Everything else checks out good. So fuel pump is located in the tank, in the gas tank, and the tank has to be lowered. Alright, next my goal is to get it up in the air in the front as well. So I'm gonna get that up, get it even, put the jack stands up under it. Try to get it, as close as a shop as I could, so I can get up under there easy as possible. Step one is complete. I'm ready to get up under there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take off the exhaust because going to the back, it curved back down here, right up under the tank. So that's gonna have to drop. Extra work. Let's get it. Exhaust. I have to come all undone all the way up from here, 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 and I'm gonna do that. Drop that exhaust, and then I'm gonna take off my straps. That's one strap, one bolt right there. I believe that's a 12 or a 13, and another one here. All right, and that's gonna release my tank. All right, we got two 13mm bolts in the rear. Take them out. That's gonna drop down, lower the exhaust in the rear. Alright, that's how that goes. Alright, got that lowered. Now we can get to those bolts for the straps. Got the two straps down. 13mm bolts holding those straps in. And now we get to our hoses, our lines, which is above the tank. I'm gonna take all of that off. I'm gonna take all of this off. Alright, this is the rear of the vehicle, looking up. Alright, this is where the neck is, the filler neck. And this one right here, this line has to come out. It's directed towards the back, and it has to come out in order for you to drop the tank. Alright, now some people like to just go ahead and do it right here. Take it out, put a new one in while it's here on the ground. But I'm gonna pull it all the way out. There we go, got the tank out. Next I'm gonna clean it off, spray it down with the water hose before I take out the the old pump. See all this dust and dirt. Don't want none of that jumping in the tank. Alright, got it good and clean. Ready to take that tank, that pump out. Alright, so next what we got, we're gonna take off these to get them out the way. But after that, we're gonna get you a pry bar or something, get there like that, and knock it. Hit it with a sludge hammer. Alright, we got another one we gotta take loose here.